Exercise 8.1, Problem 12, Discussion. Let's read the problem. If the circumference of the base of a solid right circular cone is 236 cm and its slant height is 12 cm, find its curved surface area. Let's mark what is given in the problem. 236 cm, that is nothing but the circumference of the base, okay, of the cone. The base of the cone is nothing but a circle, so circumference of the circle is 236 cm. Next, they have given here 12 cm, that is nothing but the slant height of the cone. Okay, anything else is given? I guess that's it. So let's write it. Circumference equal to 236 cm, slant height equal to 12 cm, and the shape is a cone. Okay. Next, let's list out what is asked to do the problem. We are asked to find the curved surface area. We need to calculate the curved surface area. Next, let's list the formulas. Curved surface area of a cone is pi into r into L. But if you look at this formula, there is one unknown on the right side. Radius is not known. So unless we have radius, we will not be able to calculate CSA. So this formula cannot be used as of now, right? What else is given? Oh, here they have given the circumference. We have to use this information to calculate radius. So write the formula for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So circumference is known, so which means the radius can be calculated using this formula. Once the radius is known, we can calculate CSA using this formula. Okay, so basically there are two steps. Calculate the radius using circumference, then use the value of radius and slant height and calculate CSA. Got it? So let me summarize the steps. Substitute the value of circumference in circumference equal to 2 pi r and calculate the radius. Okay, this part I will do it little later for us. Okay, so let's do the simpler part. So all you are doing is we are substituting the value of circumference in this formula and calculating the radius of the cone. Then substitute the value of radius and the slant height, which is given in the problem 12 cm, in the formula CSA equal to pi RL and calculate the curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so this is very simple, straightforward. These two is a slightly different method. It saves little time. So if you look at this formula, that's the second method. CSA is pi RL. Circumference is given 2 pi r. So instead of calculating radius, you just calculate pi r alone. That is circumference divided by 2. Circumference is given 236. So 236 divided by 2 is 118 centimeter square. Sorry, 118 centimeter. So that is the value of pi r. Substitute the value of pi r here because L is already known. So 118 into the length, which is 12 centimeter, you will be able to calculate CSA. So instead of using this pi cancelling and all this kind of simplification, what we do is we substitute the value of pi r in this equation and straight away calculate the CSA. It will save little time, and if this problem is asked in 1 mark or 2 marks, it is better to do that way. Okay, so in the solution I will be showing you both. I'll try to do this pi r method and then I'll come to for this r method. Okay, so as usual, pause the video here and try to work the problem on your own. So now this is a solution part. Circumference is 236 cm, slant height is 12 cm. So let r be the radius of the cone. Circumference of the base of the cone, which is a circle, is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal to 236. So pi r equal to 236 divided by 2, that is 118 centimeter. Let's put that as equation 1. Curved surface area is CSA equal to pi RL, that is pi r into L, but pi r we know it is 118, so it is 118 into 12, that gives us 1416 centimeter square. You got it? Instead of calculating r, you are straight away calculating pi r and substituting that here. So this needs little practice, and you should be able to guess this and do it. And if you say I'm not interested in all these things, I want simple and straightforward method, though it might take little more time, I prefer to do it simpler way. Then what you have to do is that, so you know 2 pi r equal to 236, so r will be equal to 236 divided by 2 pi, that is the 2 will cancel in 236, it will become 118 by pi. So you can keep it this way also. Next, CSA is pi RL. So CSA is pi, in the radius is given as 118 by pi, into the L is 12. So here also we are not substituting pi as 22 by 7, we are keeping pi as it is because pi gets cancelled. Okay, so this pi and pi would get cancelled, so 118 into 12, that will give us 1416. Okay, so in this method we are calculating R, but the key is we are not substituting pi as 22 by 7 and simplifying it, because this pi will get cancelled in this next step, and CSA is calculated using the formula pi RL and substituting R is 118 by pi. But whereas in this method we are keeping the pi R as it is and substituting pi R as 118 and calculating it. Okay, whichever method suits you, you can use it. Okay, I hope that explains this problem. And if you have any doubts, please go back to the discussion part and try to go through one more time and try to do the problem on your own. Okay, thanks for watching.